Okay, as promised, the other side, we're going to do brake disc, pads and the wheel bearing. Hopefully I can film all of it, but I might just skip the disc and pads because you've already seen it on the other side anyhow. So first thing we need to do is get this nut off. So you need to get a screwdriver and stick it in the disc so it stops it spinning. And you're going to need 32mm breaker bar and a pole. And you're going to have eaten your Weetabix. So let me get set up. I'll place this best I can so you can see if I can get this stable. Should be enough. Get it close to the body as you can, because if you go that way, it can slip. So let's bloody hell, that's tight. Doesn't want to go, does it? Okay. Lower. That's not going to work. Ooh. Whew. That went with a bit of a crack. Okay, it's loose. Come on. Okay. It's off. Now, let me think about this one. How did I do it last time? I think you can get away without the actual structure coming out. Actually, you might have to take the whole hub off, because getting that bearing out, the old one's going to be a right arse ache. So you want to get 15 and undo this. I believe that one for the strut is, I think that also might be a 15. Hopefully I won't need a bit of heat on this because they've come off before, so let's get this off. I'm not going to record everything taking all the bolts off because it's too time consuming doing it one hand. I will show you some of it. So 15 for the tie rod. you might have to whack it with a hammer to get it loose. So now, that was easy, look, because I've had it before. See how easy that. Sometimes you have to give that a good whack, but that's come off. That's come loose quite easy. So let's get the ball joint off now, which is an 18 and one of those Torques. I'm not sure which one, but let me go and do that. Now I'm using an 18mm because I don't know where my 18mm socket is, so I have to order a new one. So I've managed to do this by whacking that with a hammer. As you can see, it's loose, and as you can see, the caliper and the disc is removed because it's just easier. And there we have it. Keep that safe. You should ideally replace these, but I have not. I've replaced that not long back, so I'll reuse that. But preferably use a new one.